Did you know panthers are masters of disguise?
Before watching this video, please like and subscribe this channel.
These elusive felines can silently stalk their prey in total darkness. With powerful muscles and sharp claws, they're built for the hunt. Panthers can leap up to 20 feet in a single bound. Here's a creepy fact: panthers have a chilling scream that sounds like a woman's cry. Imagine hearing that in the wild. Strangely, panthers aren't a separate species. They're actually leopards or jaguars with a black coat caused by a genetic mutation. Fun fact, their black fur isn't completely black. Look closely, and you might see the faint pattern of their spots. I'd like to talk to you right now. What was your favorite fascinating animal facts? Let me know in the comments below. To get more interesting facts, keep following this channel.